Hey, hi. So today we're going to talk about Oprah baking soda weight loss scam ads that have been actually going on for a long time. The first time I saw these ads was in 2024, and I've never clicked on them, so I didn't know what the details were because I don't have issues with weight. So until I heard from my auntie, that is 3 days ago, she has bought the whatever she bought, and she sent me a video. And it was not my first time to hear about it, but this was my first time actually to play this video. So I believe you are watching this video because you have seen ads claiming that Oprah and other obesity experts or famous doctors have discovered a simple baking soda water recipe that melts fat away, something like that. Okay, so we're going to really find out what is in this baking soda, and what is it all about. You get, and so that you can have a conclusion, legit or scam. Definitely it's a scam, okay, but I want really someone to get to the details of how it's why is it still trending, and if you bought it, what happens, something like that. Okay, so first of all, when I had my auntie actually fell for it because she's more of a natural lady. She goes for natural remedies. If you're having a flu with my auntie, definitely you won't really take any medicine. She always actually just mixes ginger, onions, garlic, something like. So she's too of a natural person. Though his weight has issues, it's more complicated. Okay, so as we're going to say, so when he saw, we were on a chat with her, and it was like, hey, I think you have to check out this product. I bought it, but I'm having like fear that it may end up to being a scam. And we discussed a lot. Then I realized, okay, when she realized it's kind of do it yourself in the kitchen, you can just get products in the kitchen. She actually just hurried and bought the product. Okay, now it's funny she didn't even finish the video because for her, when she realized it's a recipe, this is a kitchen stuff. Maybe she thought it's going to get garlic, maybe get onions, I don't know, maybe get some grass, mix it, and lose weight. So she just actually got trust in the ad and bought. Okay, and she bought. So I took time to watch the entire advertisement, and it was kind of shocking. First of all, the ad begins by making you believe they're going to learn a secret baking soda recipe. I was like, okay, right. It talks about actually weight loss. It talks about obesity, health struggles that millions of people are facing. Some of the statistics even sound believable, and because actually some of the facts, maybe like I hear like two-thirds of Americans are overweight or are having issues with obesity. So some of the statistics kind of match. I think that's why most people kind of uh, get to trust the ads. Okay, so they tell you exactly what many people want to hear: no injections, no exercise. My auntie just hates exercise. Okay, she tried exercise and she gave up. So maybe she has tried some that. Okay, so these people give you what you want to hear: no injections, no exercise, no strict dieting. Just a simple kitchen ingredient. So you feel like, okay, I definitely have to buy this. I believe the start of the video, I believe most people, I think they don't even finish that video. They just buy, just like my auntie. I think, so these guys who run these ads are so clever that they make you just buy the video even before. Some people, I think, just buy even they don't even know what they're going to receive. So I kept watching. First of all, I thought like the video is going to be short. Uh, 2 minutes passed, 5 minutes passed. After like 5 minutes, I had to pause and do other stuff. Then like came back because I really didn't want to do this video before I get the whole details. So I watched the video, 10 minutes passed, 15 minutes passed, 20 minutes passed. I had to pause and do other stuff. Seriously, guys, this is a long video, okay? But actually, I realized like there's no recipe, actually, even after like 25 minutes. So the video slowly shifts into a sales presentation for a supplement. In this video, it was like something like Lean Peak. But way back, I've ever seen products with, I think, Ban Slim. So they come with, I think they kind of keep on changing the product's names, okay? So there's Lean Peak. I've seen people reporting Bam Slim, others something like Jerry Ban. So I believe maybe the next advert that you see, it may have maybe Ban Lee, I don't know. So they kind of changed these product names, okay? So they just kind of change depending on which version of the ad that you're watching. I have a feeling it's maybe different, maybe product names. What my auntie in South Africa saw may be different from someone in US. I really don't know, but that's a fact. The names actually kind of change. But the one thing which doesn't change is the baking soda thing, the baking soda promise, and also not telling you the recipe, of course, because it's not a recipe. Okay, I think that is what is constant. Okay, so that's what I realized. And so the baking soda recipe is not the product. The recipe is just a bait to kind of so that I think you can finish this whole video. Okay, so you kind of have a feeling like they're going to tell you a recipe. Maybe you're going to, mix oats, cloves, onions, maybe salt or something, something like that. So for me, that was the I don't know what about you, but that was the vibe that I was getting from this video. So the promise of a simple kitchen solution, I think, is what keeps viewers watching longer enough to be sold a supplement. In my case, that was it. All right. So another thing that makes these ads convincing is they sometimes mix real podcast footage and real interviews with fake claims. For example, obesity specialist, the one which I saw was Dr. Ania Jastreboff. I think that is how they pronounce the name. Dr. Ania has appeared in legit discussions about obesity and weight management. Okay, Oprah actually hosted a real conversation about obesity as a chronic disease, but didn't talk about baking soda. So if you're kind of a person who is fast, like, you want to finish the video, let me just Google these names. Of course, Oprah, everyone knows Oprah. And if you don't know Dr. Ania, when you search him, Dr. Ania, maybe obesity specialist, he actually appears somewhere. So you're like, okay, I think this guy is legit. But the thing is, it's a scam because these people didn't talk about baking soda. Okay, even Oprah Winfrey, if he talked about when he hosted real conversations about obesity, he didn't talk about baking soda. So that's what's making these scams really dangerous and tricky. Because imagine another one which I saw was talking about Elon Musk. I think trying to do giving free money for you claim free money to plant trees. I think in that ad, someone was advertising like Elon Musk is giving free money because he cares about climate. And for some reason, there was a clip which was talking about Elon Musk about the climate. So you may realize there's an interview where he talked about climate, but he didn't really talk about giving free money. So that's how these scams are. They usually kind of look for a real footage about someone talking about that part. Then they introduce their product. So you buy this product showing like the other person endorsed it. Okay, but there's no evidence that Oprah Winfrey actually has a product called is endorsed baking soda. Okay, and Dr. Anya and also other hospitals or recognized obesity specialists, they are not endorsing baking soda weight loss recipe or gummies or miracle pills. This usually actually they are branded differently. Sometimes it's a recipe. They say it's a recipe. It's a gummy. It's a miracle pill. Something like that. Okay. So no one has actually said that if you really go on Google. And the ads actually often blur the line between the real interviews or marketing claims. Okay. So if you have ever, if because sometimes if you search the script, they may exist, but they don't have that part of marketing the baking soda. Okay, and for one of our and for the elderly people, some of them don't know how AI works. I myself do AI videos. I do animation for cats and all that stuff on my other YouTube channels, and I can tell you AI can really do a lot. And it's become to a level that sometimes you have to really, really, really look so close to know that something is AI. So AI is really perfecting. I really don't believe because I thought maybe the people are falling for these scams are maybe the elderly who don't know about AI, but I've realized even like young people they are falling for AI stuff because AI is actually becoming too realistic. So AI, artificial intelligence, can clone voices. They can make Oprah speak like Oprah. Okay, they can generate realistic videos, create content that looks authentic. Even people who know about AI can be fooled because technology is improving so quickly. Okay, so I really don't. I can't really blame someone saying like he fell for this because uh, DeepSeek is everywhere these days. Okay, so now let's talk about the baking soda itself. What if you bought this baking soda, whatever it is, maybe the gummies or the supplements, these pills? So what really happens? First of all, there's no scientific evidence that baking soda causes meaningful weight loss. I'm not a doctor, but health experts note that uh, health experts note that claims about baking soda melting body fat are not supported by research. You can really try to Google it yourself. In fact, regularly drinking baking soda can carry risks. Excessive intake has been linked to dangerous imbalances in the body, high blood pressure, all that stuff. Conditions called metabolic alkalosis. Now, I'm not really a doctor, but if you search these things, actually, you see, you get. So, where the body's acidic base becomes actually abnormal. So be careful if you search on Mayo Clinic. Mayo Clinic also notes that sodium bicarbonate contains significant amounts of sodium and can worsen conditions involving high blood pressure, heart disease, kidney disease, or even fluid retention. Okay, so if you're watching one of these ads waiting for a magical baking soda recipe that will melt your fat away while you sleep. That is exactly what actually advertisers want you to know, but it's not real. Scam. Obesity is complicated. Weight loss is complicated. I've seen people trying a lot of stuff, but things are not really improving. Okay, so there's no secret kitchen ingredient that can replace health eating, that can replace physical activity, that can replace good sleep. There's no secret kitchen ingredient that is actually going to replace professional medical advice. Okay, so if a video promotes effortless weight loss, no exercise, no lifestyle changes, no medical supervision, be spectacle. Be spectacle. Okay. If the secret recipe takes 20 minutes to explain and someone ends up with a supplement checkout page, you have to be skeptical. Okay, so that's what I can say. There's no magic baking soda recipe. There's no miracle gummy. There's no shortcut that can replace health habits and proper medical care. This is not what people want to hear. That is the truth. Okay, in the description I'm going to leave actually some links to Mayo Clinic, some information about actually drinking soda, baking soda, how harmful it is. So you can check out the links in the video description uh, for reference. Okay. And if weight loss was as easy as drinking baking soda water, obesity, I believe, will not be one of the biggest health challenges in the world. Okay, the recipe isn't the solution. It's actually just a hook in this video ad. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. If you're interested in videos like this that review ads that you may fall without really knowing, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Maybe you can leave a like, or you can even actually leave me a country that you're watching this video from. I really appreciate to hear from you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.